Namaste children.
How are you all? I think everyone are fine. Today we are going to make clay Ganesha. Okay? Okay, for that we need clay and pencil, any wooden tool for use. I brought this clay from my garden. Okay? First we need to prepare like this. If any stones are there, you take out this one, throw outside, and again prepare like this. See, like this you need to prepare. Okay, after that prepare coils. This is called clay coils. Make it coils like this. Take one coil, make it like this round. Okay, and take this much of piece, make a round like this round. Okay, and after that this is big circle now. Take half of the clay again, this much of clay. Again you need to make one round. See children, big circle, half circle, and these three one size, these two one size, these two one size. This is for stomach, this is for head, and this is for legs, and this is for trunk, and this is for hands, this is for ears. Okay children, the big circle is there, the big round, this small round, put it on this like this you put it, and just little bit press it like this. After that take these two, make it. Okay, these two for legs and this is for trunk. These two joint like this, and this Ganesha, and press it hardly. See this one like this. Take the small circles and keep it here for leg shape. After that this one is there, no? Keep it like trunk and press it like this, and if it is tall you need to cut till here. This waist piece is there, no? Make it again, make it thin thread like thread. This much thin you need to make, and keep it like gingiva. Take these two pearls and make like a hands. See, like this. Okay children, these are hands. You keep it like this and press. Okay, press it like this, and this is for keep one laddu, and this is keep it like this, Ashirwad. After that last two balls is there now, press it like this, papad, like papad. Okay, after that just one side you need to press like this. Look at this one, ear shape. You need to keep it here, ears. Okay children, after keeping these ears, two small size circles and keep it for eyes like this. Now take pencil, give details. Anywhere you want to give details, give it like this. Okay, want to keep it greater like this, make it one, keep it one circle like this. Need to give like this. Okay children, and to decorate, take 3 pieces of rice and stick here like this, and any decoration you want, do it. And small laddu, and here make a small rice. Take small circle, just keep it like this, mouse, and if you want to give details, give it, and two eyes. Okay children, make this, and if you want to decorate something, decorate it and keep it in your Ganesha Puja. Make eco-friendly Ganesha like this and stay home, stay safe. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi all of you.